What are the employee details you store?
Employee ID, employee name,
Employee name,
employee address,
designation, a salary. Yeah,
address.
whether he is working on project or not, like that. If you take some value, if you take some data, if you take an example, if you take like this data. In employee name, can I store employee name as like 1, 2, 5, 7 like this?
No.
No, right? Yes, ma. No, right? Employee name should have only
Character.
employee name should allow to store only characters.
Characters.
Characters also single character or multiple characters.
Multiple characters.
Multiple characters.
So multiple characters, if you want to store means, then that is called as a string. So string will allow to store multiple characters. So we can store characters, comma digits, comma special characters, anything we can store. Okay, we can store anything. Characters means we can store anything. Okay, because see, when you read, if I say x equal to 100, if I say y equal to, if I put same thing like this, now what is this? This is a integer, whereas double quotes, if you put, that is a
String.
If you put anything in double quotes, it is a string. If it is not in double quotes, it is an integer. Now, how do you read this? 100, right?
Yeah.
But how do you read this?
100 only.
No, you should read as 100. Then ela chadutarma, this you have to read as 100. This you have to read as 100. So what I mean to say, even if it is a number, if you store in double quotes, if you keep in double quotes, automatically it is a string. You have to read each one as one character. For example, phone number undi. For example, I take a phone number of an employee. Phone number also, what do you store actually? In phone number, you store 98778965, something like this. But what is it? What is the data type you call it as? You store it as a string only. You take it as a string. You don't take it as a int. You have to take it as a string.
Sir,
Because even though it is a number, why are you taking as a string?
Behavior of
Not store that many.
That many digits you can't store. And another thing, how do you read your phone number? Will you read it as 987787675, right? Like this. 100, right? You are reading like a string. You don't read it as 98,77,87,675. You never read a number like that, right?
yes.
So you never read a number with like a digits. If you salary, take a salary. How do you read it as a salary?
It is like
Salary is integer, right?
yes.
Yeah, you never. What is the salary of an employee mean? You can't say, okay, int means what is that we can store? To store number. Yeah, if I say x equal to how much is the salary means, okay, how much is the take home means, you can use as, okay, this is the salary. For example, one of the employees is a take home after tax deduction, after PF deduction, all that. If this is the take home, right? Okay, how much is the take home? You will say 57,200, right?
Yes.
You never say what is the salary means, my salary is 57200.
Yes.
There's a way of reading, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So this you are reading as a number, but this you are reading as a string. This you are reading as a string.
But sir, akkada manam codes ivatledu kada sir, ivala avasram leda, but we are calling it as a string.
Backend lo store chesinappudu it will be treated as a string only.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, designation. Designation also we give manager or sales executive like that. So what is that? String only, right? Multiple characters. Yes, ma, string only. But if I take, for example, employee working in project or not, I want to store something like true or false.
Boolean.
So true or false means that is called as a Boolean. So that's called as Boolean. Boolean means we can store something what you call true or false, like this. So if a string means we can store multiple characters. Okay, int means we can store numbers. Boolean means like true or false, right? Suppose if you want to store one single character means then it is called as a char. Char to store one single character, right? So how do you store one single character? You say, for example, ch equal to single quotes you have to put.
Gender.
Okay, for example, m is a gender, right? Male or female. Okay, like that. So what is that you take? Now, as it is a single character, we are keeping in single quotes. But string you have to keep in double quotes, all of you. Remember that? String should be placed in double quotes. Character should be placed in single quotes. Digits not like this, only just number. True or false is just like this, no double quotes, nothing, right? True or false like that. Next, suppose if you are storing some product details may have a price. Price can have decimal values also, right? Yeah, all of you.
Yes.
Price can have decimal values also.
Yes.
Now, how do you store a decimal value?
Float. Float or double.
To store a decimal value, then it is called as a float or
Yes.
double. So float or double means can store decimal values. Okay, decimal values like you can store 78.90 something like that. Okay, 50.25 like this. So these are all decimal numbers, right? Like okay. So these are there are different data types like long is there. Long is there, byte is there, bit is there, short is there. Okay, like that different data types are there. But most of the times, if you know these things as a test engineer, it's more than enough. What are the basic data types?
String.
Int,
And
Boolean, char, float, double. So these data types, if you understand very clearly, that's more than enough for us. Okay. So now what is the difference between string and char? String means multiple characters and you have to keep in double quotes, right? Yeah. So char means it's a single character. We put in single quotation. Integer, right? Some numbers like this. Okay. Right. So these are the data types. Next thing. If you see in this program, I told x equal to 100, y equal to something, x like this, ch equal to, what are these things? X, y, ch, what are these? These are variables. These are variables. So why do variables are used? So variables to store a value,
store a data.
memory, during
Location.
runtime. So only during runtime, variable is allocated in the memory and some value is stored. After execution is over, after execution is over, the variable is removed from the memory. After execution, variable is automatically removed from the memory. Okay. Yeah. Next, any variable we want to use, must be declared. Yeah, it's a mandatory. Any variable you want to use, you have to declare it. So how to declare a variable? The syntax. Okay, how to declare a variable? The syntax. We give data type space variable. This is a syntax how to declare a variable. Data type space variable. Understood, all of you, how to declare a variable? Data type space variable. So like what is the data type? Can you tell me? Now these are the data types, right? Like string, int.
Integer.
Yeah. So let me declare data type int. Int, for example, salary. But now salary is a variable of int data type, right? Yeah, my salary is a variable, right?
Yes.
Yeah, which can store some value. And if
Yes.
somewhere I can say, for example, salary equal to, I can store some number, some any number, right? Let's say 100. Is there something I can store, right? Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I declare, for example, string. Yeah, string str. If I declare, what is str?
String.
String type.
Str is a
String.
Table.
variable.
Variable name.
Str is a variable. What data type?
String type.
String.
String data type. What I can store in it is string, right?
Any
So
string.
str equal to, can I store some string?
Employee name.
Java is a string, right? Can I store? Now everything is in double quotes, right?
Yes.
Like that. If I declare char, gender is a variable of what data type? Char data. Can I say gender equal to one single character, right? Male or female, I have to store in a single character.
Yes.
Yeah. Next, for example, I want to declare price of a product. So what I should have declared? Double price. Yeah, now I would have told price equal to some number 56.89.
Yeah.
Understood, ma? Yeah, I want to tell the status. Status can be true or false, right? What I will declare? Boolean. Status is a variable. Yeah, now I have told status equal to
True.
something like that, right?
Okay.
Yeah. But now what is salary? Salary is a variable. Str is a variable. Gender is a variable. Price is a variable. Status is a variable. And these are the data types, right?
Yes.
So you understood now these two topics. Any questions, ma? Data types and variables. Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No questions.
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us do this one small program. Now I have written this program called calculation, right? Okay. Now I want to take two numbers. And display all the calculated values, like some what you call, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like. What is the program for given two numbers? Display the for given two. Now you see, if I put double slash, what is the meaning?
Command.
It's a comment. What is that? Comment. Comment means you can do any meaningful sentence, you can write, right? Comments. Okay, for given two numbers, display all the calculated values. So two numbers I want to store means how many variables I need? Two numbers I want to store means two variables, right? Now I said it's numbers. Numbers means what is the data type?
Int. Floor.
So that means now I need two variables of int data type, right? Yeah, can I declare? How to declare? Int only, right? Data type.
Yes.
Can I say num1 comma num2?
Yes.
Yeah, ma, can I declare like this, right? Num1 is one variable, num2 is another variable of what data type?
Integer.
Yeah. Okay, now what is the meaning of this terminology? This is to declare variables, ma.
Declare variables.
Now can I assign some value, like num1 equal to some value? Can I give?
Yes.
Yes.
Num2 is equal.
Num2 equal to some number 5.
Okay.
So what is that we are trying to do here now?
Assigning.
Initialize, right?
Mm.
Initialize the value. Any terminology, assign the value or initialize the value. Okay, whatever. Yeah, now to display the output, what is the statement? SYSO, right? System dot out.
System dot out.
Can I say num1 plus num2? So what it will print now?
Num1 plus num2.
15.
Yeah.
15.
But mistakenly, yeah, if you keep, no, sir, in this program, I told that we have to keep in double quotes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, here also, if you put in double quotes, like this, if you keep in double quotes here, what it will print?
Num1 plus num1 plus num2
Just it will print num1 plus num2.
plus num2.
So it is printing as it is, right?
Yes.
No, not like this. I want to take the value of num1 and value of num2, right?
Yes. 10 plus 5.
So you should not keep in double quotes. So variables you should not keep in double quotes, okay? Yeah. Now system SYSO, right? Control space I'm using control space. Can I say num1 minus num2? Yeah, system dot out dot println num1 into num2. Right, system dot out dot println num1 divided by num2. Num1 percentage. So what is this will give? This is addition plus. This is minus, right? Subtraction. This is into multiplication. This is slash.
Division.
Division. This is percentage, right? Where we'll get the remainder value.
Reminder.
This is to save the program. Save it. This is to run the program, right? Yeah. See, you can run the program like this, or there is a run button, right? On the top, run menu.
Yes.
From here also you can use run as Java application. You can do like this also. Or you can right click anywhere on the program. Here, anywhere on the program you can right click. Here also run as Java application is there. Yeah, so like this also you can choose, no problem. Now you got the calculated value, right? What is the calculated value? Both are plus 15, right? Minus 5. Multiplication, right? 50. Division, right? We'll get the quotient value 2. And remainder is 0, ma. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah. Now I want to display, num1 to the power of num2. Num1 to the power of num2 means 10 to the power of 5, right? Yeah, how do you get the 10 to the power of 5? See, in some languages, we have this symbol. No, in some programming languages, we have this symbol. Okay, this symbol will give num1 to the power of. But in Java, this is different. In Java, this is Char operator. In Java, this is called as Char operator. Okay, Char operator I will explain you at some point later. But remember, what is this output will give? I don't know. Let me check. Char means. No, actually I have to take the binary number of 10, then binary number of 5, then I have to subtract both. You know, right? Binary number means
0 and 1.
0
and 1, right? How do you get the binary number of 10? If you take 10, divide with 2, right?
1 0.
10. Remainder is
5.
0, right?
0.
Then 2 2s are 4. Remainder is
1
1 0 1 0.
2.
2 1s are 2. Remainder is
0.
Read from reverse. Reverse lo rayandi.
1 0 1 0
Means
1
1 0.
1 0. Okay, what about 5? 5 binary number is
2. 2.
2 2s are 4.
1
1. 2. 1 0.
0 1.
2 ones are 2, 0, right?
101.
101.
10.
1 0
1.
1, right?
Yes.
So subtract it. Here there is no 1.
10 minus
So
1,
if
9.
I take it now, 1 minus 1,
0.
0. So here again I have to take
0.
It's not there. So what will happen?
Zero.
Here?
0.
Mm,
10 minus 5.
Sir, 989, sir.
I'm doing something wrong here.
1.
Yeah, actually, this will give you what you call, binary, and then if you subtract how much it is giving. The last one is also giving 15. 15 binary number. What is the 15 binary number? Yeah, 2
1, sir.
2 sevens are 14. 1,
That is 1010.
2 threes are 6. 1,
101.
1, sir.
No.
2 ones are 2, right? 1. Yeah, 1 1 1, right?
Yes, sir.
50 now. 2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
of 4. 2 to the power of 1.
2 to the power of 2.
2 square.
2 to the power of 3.
Cube, right? Okay, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14, 1.
15, sir.
మరి దీంట్లో ఎలా వచ్చింది? అన్ని యాడ్ చేసి వచ్చింది ఇవన్నీ.
Sir, it is subtraction.
1 1 యాడ్ చేసి వచ్చాయి ఇవన్నీ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think you have to add it. So you need to, XOR means you need to take binary number of 1 and binary number of 5 and you add it. You get all ones, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the binary equivalent. So this is called a XOR operator. So
Excellent.
what I need is 10 to the power of 5, right? I need to get. So 10 to the power of 5 if you want to get. Say just some time back I was telling Java software itself is a library, right? Yeah, what is it? Means software, Java software itself is a library, JDK library.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, library has classes, right? Yeah, library has packages and it has classes, right?
Yes, sir.
And class has
Methods.
methods. And even now JDK library has a class. Now inside JDK library, there is an existing class called math. Remember, in JDK library there is a class called math. So if I say math dot, now math is a class. Remember, math is a class. In that there is a method called POW. So POW is taking number 1 comma number 2, right? That means this will get the power of first number to the second number. So if I run now, you see you got whatever 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh, 10 to the power of 5, you got 1 lakh, right? Yeah, is this okay, ma'am? Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So now what is math here?
Class.
Existing class in Java.
1 lakh.
And then POW is
Method.
right? Yeah, antegamma. Now what is the we said? Class, and class has method, right? Yeah, yes, ma. Any confusion here? Hello.
No, sir.
No.
But
Yeah, yes, ma. What happened? Everybody is silent. You understood, right?
Yes.
So Java
Yes,
library
yes.
classes has methods, right?
Methods.
So I am using one of the existing class. What is existing class here?
Math.
The existing class, in that there is a power is a method.
Method.
It will calculate the power of first number to the second number, right?
yes, float. It is
How should we know that math powers?
Yeah, I am telling you, right? That's why we are taking training.
sir, it is storing as a float value or it cannot store as int. Why is
Because
it?
power returns a double value. See, it is returns a double, right?
Okay.
That's why there is a decimal.
Okay. That's why point is shown.
Huh?
That is why the decimal point is shown.
Yes, that's why there is a decimal. It returns a decimal. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So like that. Now, what did I said? If you remember, when you are giving classes naming conventions, I said anything which starts with capital letter is a class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If now we are writing a calc, we started a class. C is a capital letter.
Yes,
Math, M starts with capital letter. It is a class.
Yes.
System, S starts with capital letters. Yes, system S is a class, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you see when I place a cursor on this, what it is saying? The system class, right?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Put a system. Yeah, no. If I place a cursor here, what is saying? The system class, right, contains several useful fields and methods, right? System is a class.
Yes, sir.
Even math, what it says here? The math class, right? The class math contains methods. So math is a class, system is a class. Like that, when I'm writing some data types here, one of the data type I give capital letter. Which one?
String.
Data type is starting with capital letter.
String.
String, right? You see, int I is a capital letter, char C is a capital letter, D is a capital letter, B is a capital letter. But string SI started with capital letter. You observe here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means now string is a
Class.
string is a class, right? So that means string is a class means then string also should have methods, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
my.
sir.
Oh,
Yes,
let me told one basic point. Class has methods. So if string is a class means string a class also should have methods, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let me complete the topic for today. Let me write a new class. Yeah, this is how you write, right? New class. I'm a string example I'm taking. Yeah, we select public static void main. Yes, all of you, public static void main. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now align the program properly. Tell me how to declare one string variable. Come on, fast.
String str.
String str, can I declare a variable?
Yes.
ST.
Can I assign some value to that?
STR is equals to.
Okay, some simple string will take. Let's take, I'll take programming. Now programming is a string, right? Yeah, what did we do? Declare variable. And here we are assigning, right? Assign value, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, say I want to know what is the length of the string. What is it? To know the
Length of
the string.
length of the string. Then can I say str dot? See, there are methods, right? These are all methods of string, right? In this, see, there is a method called length. So what is length will give me?
Length of
Length will give me the length of the string, right?
variable.
Now, what does the length returns?
Integer one.
No. Even beginners, all of you who are all first time learning Java. When I place a cursor on it, the first word is there, right? You see, the first word is what is the data type? Int, right? That means this method, remember all of you, this method will calculate the length of the string and it will give me some number.
Yes.
Obviously, right? It will give me a number only, right? length of the string is 5 or 10 or 20 or 18 or 12 or it will give me some number, right? What is the length of the string?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this method is giving me some value. So if I want to take that value into a variable, suppose if I want to take into a variable y should be what data type?
Integer.
Int only, right? Because it is throwing some integer value. I have to catch into a integer variable only, right? Yeah, if I declare y as a string, then this is an error, right? Right? See, obviously it is error.
Yes, sir.
Like mismatch,
sir.
right? Cannot convert from int to string.
Yes.
So this method is giving me
Error.
okay. This method is giving me what value?
Integer.
This method is giving me integer value. If you want to store that, that has to be a integer variable only, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now can I print that y value? System dot out dot
length,
println
length is
y will print. Y will print the length of the string, right? How much? 11, huh? Yeah. So first I am taking the length into a variable, then that variable I am printing. Okay, right?
okay.
Yeah. Now instead of that, whatever it is giving, can I directly give it to the system.out.println to print it? No, I don't want to take into a variable. Say this method is giving me the length. So directly that length I am giving to the println method.
Yes, sir.
So, for example, if it's Saikiran,
Yes, sir.
yeah, suppose you, okay, for example, one of your friend have to give you, let's say 5,000 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you need to give the 5,000 to, let's say, for example, Rama. Actually, you have to give 5,000 to Rama, but you want to get 5,000 from one of your friend. Saikiran?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you can do? You can take 5,000 from your friend and then you can give to Rama, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Or otherwise, if your friend is wanted to give you 5,000, what you are telling? No. Instead of giving to me, you directly do the Google Pay to Rama, right? That is also okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir.
So instead of taking a length into one variable, then that variable, if I am using here instead of that, whatever it is returning, please give it to system.out.println. It will take that value and print it.
Okay.
Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So what understood, right? I am giving directly to system.out.println it print like that. Okay, next another method. I want to take first 4 characters. To take, let's say first 4 characters. How to take some first 4 characters? Generate str dot. There is a method what we call substring. Substring of, say substring always takes index from 0, starting from 0. 0 to how many you want?
4.
0 to 4. That means you will get 4 characters, but start from 3. Start from 0.
0.
0.
Means
Fourth character is not included. Remember, fourth character is not included.
Okay.
That means what you will get, this is 0, right?
Yes,
0,
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
Up
3.
to 3.
Totally 4, right?
4.
Emma, 0, 1,
1,
2, 3. But totally 4, right?
yes.
Yeah, like that you will get. But in the middle also you can get no problem. I will say, for example, 10, but start from 3. Start from 3. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, then better I will put something what you call 9. Then you will get only, starting from 3, you will get only up to here. Okay, right? How to take few characters in the middle. Okay, right? Yeah. Now see, you got till here, right? Starting from third character, you got up to I, right? Ninth character is not included, yes or not?
Till it.
Yeah, like that. Now, to take one single character at 10th position, or okay, to take one single character at 5th position. At which position? 5th position. Then I have one method, what you call, str dot at caret of 5. Oh, I have to say caret of 4, right? If you want 5th character, because index starts from 0. When it starts from 0, 4 means 5th character only, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th character is R only, right?
Yes, sir.
But actually I gave 4. 4 means then 0, 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4.
R only, right? Yeah, so here index starts from 0 actually. Okay. Next, how to convert these characters, everything into capital letter? To convert the string to uppercase, right? Uppercase. How do you do that? I write str dot. 2 uppercase is there, right? Okay. Next, wherever, for example, in programming, wherever small letter R is there, I want to replace with capital letter R. Okay. So to replace a character with another character, then I will use system dot, what you call str dot replace. So what is old character small r? I want to replace with what character?
You can.
Okay. So if you run this, see what is the output you are seeing? See, 11 is the length part of a string, right? In the middle few characters like this. 5th character is R. 2 uppercase, all are converted into capital letter. Wherever small letter R is there, replace it with capital letter R.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, like that. So now I want to check. Yeah, to check the string has the given word or not. Yeah, I want to check whether the given string has the word or not. But str dot I want to check contains. I want to check whether this contains a word web or not. Do this string contains a word web? No, right? Yeah. So what it will give? If it contains, it will be true. Otherwise, it is
False.
false. See, the last one is false, right?
Boolean.
Yeah, Boolean contains, right? Yeah, contains is giving me, see, contains is giving me what value? The first word is the returned value, right? What it returns? Boolean only, right? True.
Boolean.
Yes.
If the web is there, it will be true. Not there, it is false, right?
False.
Okay. So there are some more methods are there. We will see tomorrow class, no problem. But you understood, right? So maybe, string is a class. Some of the methods we are using here.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So maybe do one thing, as I told you today, right? First you install the Java in your systems. Eclipse also you can configure, and then you create a Java project. Just like this, create one small class, and then see whether system.out.println you're able to run the program, and also just go through programs what we discussed today. That's all. Okay, tomorrow I will give some more examples, then I will give assignments from tomorrow. Okay, ma?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Right. So any questions for today now?
Sir, after the class, there is a method, sir. You have to start that method later in lowercase or uppercase, sir.
Where, which one in this program? Tell me which one.
Any program after class, method name should be start with uppercase or lowercase.
Method name will be always small letters.
Lowercase.
You see, but now length is a method, right?
Yes, sir.
See, is a length method name small letter or capital letter?
Small letters.
Method names are always small letters, right? You observe these are all existing methods, right? In Java.
Yes, sir.
All existing method names also starting with capital letter, right?
Yes, sir.
Class name starting with capital letter. So that's why when you are reading any Java documentation also, anything if you observe anything starting with capital letter means we automatically understand that is a class. Okay. Yeah, method names always starts with small letters. Yeah. Any more questions, ma'am? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Sir, the integer value x is equal to 100, y is equal to 200.
Chap, x equal to 100, y equal to 200. Chap.
Int c is equals to x plus y.
Int z equal to x plus
x plus y. ఇప్పుడు సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ డాట్ ప్రింట్ ఎలన్ చేస్తే
yeah, you will get what is that 100 plus 200 300 కదా.
సార్ అది పైన కొటేషన్స్ దీనికి సింగిల్ లెటర్ కి అవసరం లేదా సార్?
ఎక్కడ సింగిల్ లెటర్?
జెడ్ వాల్యూ అదే ప్రింట్ ఎలన్ పారా
ఇక్కడ అవును జెడ్ అనేది వేరియబుల్ కదమ్మా. వేరియబుల్ హౌ డు యూ పుట్ ఇన్ కొటేషన్స్?
అదే సార్
Character.
చెప్తున్నాం in the previous example also when you did num1 plus num2 it is a variables, right? Variables you don't keep in double quotes. The constant value అయితే ఇప్పుడు if you are declaring one variable ఇప్పుడు char gender అనుకున్నాం g and gender equal to male or female. ఇప్పుడు ఇది సింగిల్ కొటేషన్ లో రాస్తాం.
అదే సార్ ఓన్లీ స్ట్రింగ్ వాల్యూ కి మాత్రమే కొటేషన్స్ పెట్టాలా సార్ ఇక్కడ?
అవును, స్ట్రింగ్ క్యారెక్టర్ అయితేనే అలా కొటేషన్స్ అనేది ఆలోచిస్తాం. నంబర్స్ ఎందుకుంటాయి? ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ ని ఇలా రాస్తామా? ఇంట్ సింగిల్ కొటేషన్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 100 అంటామా?
అదే సార్ వాల్యూ ఏది అంటే దాని
వాల్యూ పెడతాం, వేరియబుల్స్ కాదు కదా వాల్యూకు. ఇప్పుడు y అనేది వాల్యూ కదా.
అదే సార్
ఇది z అనేది వేరియబుల్ కదా, వేరియబుల్ ఎలా పెట్టం కదా.
అదే సార్ ఓకే సార్
వాల్యూస్ పెట్టాలి. సో ఏం పెట్టాలి? వాల్యూస్ వాళ్ళ స్ట్రింగ్ అయితే డబుల్ కోట్ ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళ వాల్యూ క్యారెక్టర్ అయితే సింగిల్ కొటేషన్ ఉంటుంది.
వాల్యూ ఇంటిజర్ గానీ ఫ్లోట్ అయితే అవసరం లేదు.
వేరియబుల్స్ కూడా కొటేషన్స్ లో ఉండకూడదు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇది జెడ్ అనేది వేరియబుల్ కదా.
అవును సార్. ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే
సార్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక క్లాస్ లో మెథడ్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ లైన్ లో str డాట్ అని ఇచ్చాం కదా.
అవును,
అది స్మాల్ లెటర్ కదా సార్. అది ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటది? అది మనం ఇప్పుడు వేరియబుల్ డాట్ అని ఇచ్చాం కదా, అది క్లాస్ డాట్.
ఇక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది క్లాస్ కదా, ఇది str అనేది వేరియబుల్ లాగా. ఇది ఇట్స్ లైక్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆల్సో. ఇది ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ క్లాస్ కదమ్మా. ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ ఇస్ అన్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ క్లాస్, రైట్? దీన్ని ర్యాపర్ క్లాస్ అంటాము. దాని ర్యాపర్ క్లాసెస్ అనేది తర్వాత చెప్తాను కానీ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు str అనేది యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ లైక్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇప్పుడు str is treated as like an object for string class. అదే ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్ ఐ అన్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్ num1 అన్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు మనకి num1 డాట్ అంటే మన మెథడ్స్ వస్తాయా? రావు కదా, బికాస్ ఇంట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ క్లాస్ కాదు కదా. ఇది క్లాస్ కాదు కదమ్మా. అదే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంకొక క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది, ఇప్పుడు ఇంటిజర్ n అని తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది కూడా ఏం వాల్యూ స్టోర్ చేస్తాం? n లో ఇంటిజర్ వాల్యూస్. ఇప్పుడు n ఈక్వల్ టు 10 అని నెంబర్ స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు. n డాట్ అంటే మెథడ్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి చూడండి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ఇది n ఈజ్ వర్కింగ్ లైక్ ఏ వేరియబుల్, n ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వర్కింగ్ లైక్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇంటిజర్ అనేది క్లాస్. ఓకే, ఇంటిజర్ ఇస్ అ క్లాస్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, ఇది ఇంటిజర్ ఇస్ ఏ క్లాస్, whereas n is treated
ఆబ్జెక్ట్.
like variable or object also. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు n ను మనం వేరియబుల్ లాగా ట్రీట్ చేయొచ్చు, n ను మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లాగా కూడా ట్రీట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? హలో, యా సరేలేండి. ఇప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు యాక్చువల్గా, ఎందుకంటే మీకు ర్యాపర్ క్లాసెస్ అవి ఐ హావ్ నాట్ టాట్. ఇప్పుడే కాదు కదా, ఇప్పుడే కదా స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ రిమెంబర్ చేసుకోండి, str is not a class. str is treated like a variable. str also can work like an object also. And length, substring, these are all methods belong to string class. Okay,
సార్ లెంత్ అనేది స్మాల్ లెటర్ లో ఉంది కదా సార్, సబ్ స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది స్మాల్ లెటర్ ఉంది.
అవును. మెథడ్ నేమ్స్
మెథడ్ ఆల్వేస్
మెథడ్
క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ కదా.
ఏమన్నాను,
method name.
మెథడ్ నేమ్స్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఇన్ స్మాల్ లెటర్, రైట్? క్లాస్ నేమ్ ఒకటే క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నాం కదా.
ఎస్ సార్, ఓకే.
సో క్లాస్ నేమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్
Capital letter.
మెథడ్ నేమ్స్ ఆల్వేస్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్
Lowercase.
లోవర్ కేస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. యా.